July 6, 10:30 p.m. Hawaii time. I was getting ready to shut off the computer, and I was just checking out the map here. Looks like we had a few significant quakes. And it started off this morning with this quake in Tonga. It was a 6.2 mag, 10 kilometers deep. 6.2 in Tonga. Here's the epicenter, and 11 people called in saying they felt it. And then there were some 4-pointers. And then Tonga again with a 5.1, 10 kilometers deep. Greece had a 4.5. And PNG, they're starting to get a little bit of activity. They had this 4.7. And then north of Japan, there was a 6.3. It's actually in Russia. And now PNG again just had this 5.2. And they issued a tsunami statement, but no tsunamis were generated. And looking at the buoy map, I don't see any buoys going off up here with this 6.3 mag. You can see where the epicenter is. 23 miles deep and 4 cities within 183 miles. And so far one person called in saying they felt it. But it happened about, let's see here, about 3 hours ago. And then north of New Zealand, they've been having some tremors. Right about here, they've been having some activity. Tonga, and now Papua New Guinea. PNG just had this one. And my map said at 2.5 meg or greater over the last 24 hours. And this is 2.5 meg or greater over the last 7 days. And here you can see some of the ones in New Zealand. And they had a couple that were even south of New Zealand. So I'm hoping this isn't building up pressure and it's going to snap on them like the event that happened in Christchurch a few years back. And then checking out the typhoons, it looks like we have 3 of them here, and then there's a storm developing in the Pacific. It could head towards Hawaii. It's only 35-mile-per-hour winds. And then Linfa, it's 50 miles an hour. It's a slow-moving storm. It's just kind of spinning in one place. And then this Chanham has 90-mile-per-hour winds. Take another look at this real quick. And this Nanga, 125-mile-per-hour winds. This is out by Guam. Nangka. You can see it shows the model building up here. People in Guam here, I'm sure they're aware of it and prepping for it. And then there's Shanham, and it doesn't really show much for the tracking today and then Wednesday. So it's just spinning around here. It has gusts up to 150 miles an hour though. Here's a shot of both of them, Chanhan and Nangka. You can see they're developing eyes. These might actually pick up more speed. Water vapor. Have to keep an eye on those. Everyone have a good evening. Aloha.